I'm currently outside of the UK, and as you can see, I can use Cash App on my computer here, so I have access to all of the features. Now, if you want to access Cash App as well, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So for this, we will need two applications here. So the first thing that we need to do here is Google search for Cash App BlueStacks. BlueStacks is basically an emulator which lets you run Cash App on your computer. So just click on this first link here. It's going to look like this: Cash App, play on PC, download and play. And if we click on it, it's going to download the launcher here. And we will simply have to select it and just make sure you install BlueStacks on your computer. Now, once you have it installed here, then it's going to look like this on your PC. It will create a desktop icon, and basically before we load it up, we want to open up the first link from my YouTube description here, which is NordVPN. It will also need a VPN to actually get Cash App to run, because if you try to run it right here directly, it will not load up if you are not from the US or UK. So go to the link in the description or from the pinned comment and just get NordVPN as well, which is going to look like this. So once NordVPN loads, you want to connect either to the US or to the UK here from this section. And if you see connected here and it says United States or the UK, then you can successfully open up Cash App, which is going to look like this. And like I said, you will have access to all of the features here, and you can use it however you like, from the UK or from the US. So like I said, get NordVPN from the first link of my description, then install BlueStacks like I just showed you, Cash App, and you can use Cash App on your computer if you are outside of the UK. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.